Welcome to our guide on how to troubleshoot common issues with smart door locks. Let's start by understanding what they are. Smart locks can occasionally experience issues. In this section, we'll cover the common problems you might face. One of the most common issues is battery failure. Here's how to check and replace your batteries. Connectivity issues can occur. Let's troubleshoot Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections. Setting up access codes is essential. We'll discuss how to set them up, avoid mistyping, and how to reset them if needed. Sometimes physical obstructions can cause problems. Here's how to clear debris and ensure proper alignment. Occasionally, app issues arise. Let's cover how to update your smart lock app and repair devices. Keeping your firmware updated is crucial. We'll explore why this matters. If issues persist, it may be time to call a locksmith or tech support. Let's find out when to seek help. To recap, maintaining your smart lock is essential. Follow these best practices for a secure experience.